So this is the crab here. Now we're going to make this with dumplings. So this is the sauce. It's so wonderful and thick and nice, the sauces. Good day everybody, welcome to Shanty home, the Chulha queen in Siparia. So I'd like everybody to welcome to my kitchen. We're going to do a wonderful crab here, right? Right. That's my oil. Right. So we're gonna do a crab here. Nice. This is the crab. This is my puran here and the curry. So I'm going to show you how Shanty doing the crab there now. Onion in here. So this is my onion. And all you know, Shanty likes a bunch of onion process. This is my pepper here. Why make that noise? Because it was in the fridge. Right? I can cook my crab. And that is my garlic. So I love to burn my things, so this is my curry. So I throw in a little water here. Right, so my crab. So you see, this is some wonderful sea crab Shanty went and catch yesterday. Look at it. Shanty catch this fresh. This is nice fresh crab. Real nice because she wanted to cook it, so she gonna get it fresh. So this is my steamboat in here. Crab in here. And this thing I'm going to do is frying up here. Real nice. Look at it. That is sea crab. Right? We're gonna make some dumpling and some sea crab, wonderful crab. Look at it. I'll show you that just. This is how it fry up here. Look at it. So Shanty going to this water here now. I'm going to steam this down. And then after I'm going to put my coconut milk inside out here because I just cook different. I want my crab cooked real nice and then put my coconut water. So I'll show you this just now. Coconut are now great. Look at it. This one I blend, this one great. So this going on wash here now. Wash. So this one washing here. Like this. So this is Shanty does make she thing local. Right? This is local thing you're getting done by Shanty. Real nice local fireside food by Shanty. Clean and nice. So this is my coconut milk going into here. Right? So this is going to steam down and oh my god, please fall out. Right, so just going to steam down there now and I will show you this just now. So this is the crab here. Now we're going to make this with dumplings. So this is the sauce. It's so wonderful and thick and nice, the sauces. So you don't have to take this down off. So this is going straight into here. Look at that nice, wonderful crab. Oh my god, it's heavy. This is my water for my dumpling, straight up on the Chulha. Right, so this is going on hot there now. Boiling hot with this fireside there. I'm going to throw the dumpling inside that there now and you will see Shanty doing that. Right, so everything going in here just now. It's at a hot and I'm going to make my dumpling. Check the water now and see what we get in there. Wow! Look at that. It's boiling, right? So this is my dumpling going in this boiling hot water straight from the Chulha. Right, so I'm going to show this dumpling and I'm going to do it now. You're going to see the balance. That is a Chulha dumpling. Look at that. Like a volcano bubbling there. That is how the Shanty far side is delighting. Right? Watch it. Right, so. Right there. Have some garlic, some onion here. That's going in straight to the pot. Right, so my garlic going in there. Onion and garlic. Just swelling up there. Nice, it's frying up there. So this is the dumpling will come down from the far side. Nice dumpling that's going in here. Add some nice carrot into here. Put it up like this. Here's some fresh bandana here. In there. And this is some of the dumpling water what remains. Right, they're adding a little bit into here. Making a nice sauce. And this is nice, wonderful dumpling and crab look here. Real nice. What you bandana? Real nice. Fresh. Right, that's it.